Here's how you can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius on your iPhone and Mac. Open up the weather app and go to the list view you see here. If your weather app looks like this, just tap the icon in your bottom right corner to go to the list view. Then, you'll tap the three dots on the top right corner, and here you can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Changing it here will change it on your Apple Watch as well if you have one. If you want to change this system-wide and not just for the weather app, here's how you do it. Go to Settings, General, and Language and Region. Here you can change all the units and formats for every app on your phone. You can pick your calendar type, temperature units, measurement system, date format, etc. If you want to do this on your Mac, you'll find the settings in the same exact place. System Settings, General, and Language and Region. I hope that was helpful. Click that like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.